From today onward, I will tell you about tissue. First of all, I will tell you about plant tissue and then after animal tissue. Before knowing plant tissue, it is important to know first of all what is tissue. Tissue is a group of cells having a common origin and usually performs a common function. Plant tissue. The body of plant is made up of different types of tissues. On the basis of whether the cells being formed are capable of dividing or not, the plant tissue has been classified into two main groups, and these are namely meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. Meristematic tissues. The meristematic tissues has four additional names, and these are immature tissue, unspecialized tissue, embryonic tissues, and totipotent tissues. Meristematic tissue is a group of cells that are structurally and functionally unspecialized and retain retain the ability to divide, to form new cells. Characteristics of meristematic tissues. What are the characteristics of meristematic tissues? Meristematic tissues has following characteristics, and these are: first, all the cells of meristematic tissues are tightly packed without intercellular space in between them. It has thin cellulose made primary cell wall. It has thick cytoplasm. It has conspicuous, meaning large nucleus. It has rich plasmodesmata connections. It is actively dividing tissues. This tissue gives growth to the plant, and that is why the growth of plant is unlimited. The region of plant body where meristematic tissues are found is called meristem. I mean to say, the actively dividing region of the plant body is called meristem, where meristematic tissue are found. In plant, there are different types of meristem, and meristem is a actively dividing region of the plant body where meristematic tissue are located. And there are different types of meristem, namely apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristem. What is apical meristem? Apical meristem is a actively dividing region of the plant body present at the apex of plant body, either at the apex of root or at the apex of shoot. If actively dividing region of the plant body is present at the apex of root, then it is called root apical meristem, and if it is present at the apex of shoot, then it is called shoot apical meristem. Apical meristem is responsible for formation of leaves and elongation of stem. Intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is a actively dividing region of the plant body located between two matured tissue. It is only found in grass, and it helps grass in their regeneration. Here, apical meristem and intercalary meristem are called primary meristem. Why apical meristem and intercalary meristem are called primary meristem? This is because apical meristem and intercalary meristem appear early in life of a plant and forms primary tissues in the plant. Lateral meristem. Those meristem or those actively dividing region which is present in the matured part of the plant body is called lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is also called secondary meristem because lateral meristem appear later in life of a plant. There are two types of lateral meristem: vascular cambium and core cambium. In the next lecture video, I will tell you about permanent tissue. Thanks now.